Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is December 5th, 2025, and we're diving into SentinelOne's third quarter fiscal year 2026 earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. SentinelOne has been making waves in the cybersecurity sector, and their latest earnings report provides some interesting insights into their performance and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. SentinelOne reported a revenue of $258.9 million for Q3 FY2026, marking a 23% increase year over year. John, what does this tell us about the company's market position?
This revenue growth is quite impressive and highlights SentinelOne's strong market position. Their annualized recurring revenue, or ARR, also grew by 23% to over $1 billion, which is a significant milestone. This indicates robust demand for their AI-native security platform, which is resonating well with customers.
And what about profitability?
On the profitability front, SentinelOne achieved a non-GAAP net income margin of 10%, a substantial improvement from the previous year. This reflects their disciplined execution and ability to balance growth with financial rigor.
EPS forecast and actual results. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 60 cents, but SentinelOne reported an actual EPS of. How should investors interpret this?
While the GAAP EPS missed the forecast slightly, it's important to note that the non-GAAP EPS came in at 0.07 cents. This positive non-GAAP result is a testament to their operational efficiencies and cost management strategies, which are crucial for long-term profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. SentinelOne's non-GAAP gross margin was 79%, and their operating margin improved to 7%. What does this indicate?
These figures highlight SentinelOne's ability to enhance their operational efficiencies. The improvement in gross and operating margins suggests that they are effectively managing their costs while scaling their operations. Additionally, their cash flow metrics, with an operating cash flow margin of 8% and a free cash flow margin of 6%, indicate strong liquidity and financial health.
And what about their future outlook?
SentinelOne has provided guidance for Q4 FY2026 with expected revenue of $271 million and a non-GAAP gross margin of 77.5%. This guidance reflects their confidence in sustaining growth and profitability.
Leadership transition and strategic initiatives. There's a leadership transition happening at SentinelOne. Can you tell us more about it?
Yes, Barbara Larson, the current CFO, will be transitioning out, and Barry Paget, the Chief Growth Officer, will step in as interim CFO. This transition is expected to be smooth, given Barry's extensive experience in operational leadership.
How does this align with their strategic initiatives?
SentinelOne is focusing on leveraging AI for security, which is a key differentiator in the cybersecurity market. Their strategy is paying off, as evidenced by a 20% increase in customers with ARR of $100,000 or more. This growth underscores their ability to attract and retain high-value clients.